Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you a story about the biggest surprise. You have to watch and listen carefully so that you know what's the biggest surprise. One day my dad went to the auction center to show some of our fat pigs. I didn't go with Daddy because children are not allowed because of COVID. So I just stayed home with my mom. And then Daddy called. He said that he has a big surprise for me. I'm excited, hoping that it is Thomas and Friends toys. I was very excited. I can't wait for Daddy to come home. I waited and waited and waited and waited. At last, Daddy came with his big surprise for me. I asked him, "What's my big surprise?" And he said, "It's in the trailer." And I thought my Tom's train is in the trailer. Oh no! Daddy opened the trailer. And then there's the biggest surprise came out. And I was really surprised because it's a Baa Baa Black Sheep. Yay! I am now a Baa Baa Black Sheep. I am so happy and said thank you to Daddy. Indeed, it was really the biggest surprise. The end. And now it's my job to tame them. Do you know what's their name? You have to watch my next video so you know their names. Baa Baa Black Sheep, tell you any word? Yes, sir, that's the word. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, tell you any word? Yes, sir, that's the word. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, tell you any word? Yes, sir, that's the word. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, tell you any word? Yes, sir, that's the word. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, tell you any word? Yes, sir, that's the word. One for the master, one for the dame, one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Baa Baa the day. One for the little boy who lives down the lane. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.